Yeah. Ora. Them headlights though.
They don't look that bad.
Not at all.
I mean, for $100 headlights. Because my other ones are leaking and these ones are gonna get the job done for now. You know what I'm gonna need though? I'm gonna need new light bulbs. I'm gonna have to go buy some. That doesn't look that bad for the clear side markers.
Clear ones look better than the amber ones.
Yeah. They're not retrofit. The ones I have right now are retrofit, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna upgrade soon again. Just because these are just in the meantime. Because my other ones leak so much.
There's a guy on the HTN forum selling his retrofits. I saw him this morning.
I'm gonna have to look at it. So, you guys always say that I buy a lot of random shit, and that's because I probably do. So, we're gonna be installing these in the car today. I'm not really gonna do a tutorial on it just because everybody knows how to do these, and I've done this like at least 2 more other times on my other videos. What's in the box? God, hey, no, come here. I know the car's filthy, Hector, but
No, it's hot.
like, oh my god, I need to clean this again.
Maybe 9?
Yeah.
Be about it.
I haven't driven this car in like 2 days. This has been sitting here since I've been off. So, I'm not gonna wash the car till after the headlights are on because then these lights are gonna get water leaked into them. Yaris's? You guys like slammed Yaris's? Not slammed, but. Let's park right next to it. Hector wants me to run these ones. Just a big off-road light.
You say it's a retrofit.
Retrofit headlight on the car, just right on the hood or the bumper. You know, I've seen people I've seen them on the forums on the Facebook page with that in between the grill.
I've seen it.
And I don't know how I feel about it.
No.
Like, so we're just gonna grab the good ones. We're gonna grab these ones. Top spots because I want to do this in the shade. And my girl's car right there. I don't care what you guys say, TC's. Dude, that TC is just nice. Like, it rides so smooth. For a TC, it's pretty good. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just push the bumper out, and then we're gonna go ahead and take out the headlights, and then we're gonna go ahead and pretty much do the other stuff that we need to do pretty much. I mean, you guys already know how to do headlights. So check it out. It just leaks in all through here. And then these red and black wires right here, guys. Apparently, if you put these onto a power source, your demon eyes turn on. So that's kind of what made me want to get these. But unless you know for a fact that they're gonna work and that there's no problems, don't buy used headlights. Learn from me, because I cheap out on a lot of shit. Like these eBay headlights. But, I mean, the only thing that I see wrong with it is you need to pretty much seal this up, which I already have the sealant. I'm just really lazy. And this tab is broken up here, so it makes the headlight slouch. So unless you can fix that, then, I mean, anybody could pretty much take these.
Anybody, huh?
Uh-huh.
Dibs.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and quick test it. So this is how it looks, guys. We're gonna keep the plastic on until it's pretty much on the car, and then we'll take it off little by little. That way I don't scratch anything of it. We're just gonna pretty much line it up and turn on the lights before we bolt everything in. Eighth gen owners, probably one of the annoying thing to do is take these brackets out. There's one underneath right there, which basically gets hooked on right here. That's probably the smartest way for you guys to do it. Just grab a bunch of extensions.
Or just one super long one?
Or just one super long one. And once that's in, you're good. And this side's already good to go. So now we're just gonna do the other one, and we are done. Dude, step back a little bit. That doesn't look bad. That does not look bad.
Not at all.
Looks pretty good. I like it. Especially because the fog lights are clear. It matches the car. So, and I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering why I didn't go with LEDs. I forgot to buy LEDs, that's my honest answer. And I wanted to get these on as soon as possible. So, plus these aren't my permanent headlights. And the route I want to go, I'm not gonna take LEDs. So, these are just for now. These headlights are just for now. Remember that. These ones, on the other hand, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm either gonna try to mess with them, or I might sell them. I don't know. We're gonna go take pictures later, so.
After we wash it.
After we wash it. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna take it to the drive-thru car wash.
Jesus Christ.
The paint's not great. That's why I don't care how I wash the car. Like, I really don't care. If I had a brand new paint job and whatnot, then yeah, I would care a lot. So yeah, looks really, really, really cool. We're gonna go give this car a wash, guys, and we're gonna go take pictures of it later. I think the only thing it's missing now is a carbon fiber hood. I think that's what it's missing. So, anyways, these ones are gonna be going up for sale. I'm probably gonna put them on the Facebook page because they'll probably sell a lot faster that way. They'll come with the ballast and the HIDs and everything. The size is H1, by the way. The only thing wrong is this passenger side. Water leaks in right here, and this tab is broken. I don't know, just it's ready to ship if you guys really want to ship. If you really want me to ship it to you, but shipping, I already know it's like 60 bucks because shipping headlights is always expensive.
Yeah, shipping anything.
So I don't know. Just keep me posted on Facebook. Find me under Tony Castillo if you guys want to see me. I'm pretty much on almost every Honda Civic page there. So I'm gonna post those for sale on there later. I didn't bring my camera with us, so we're just gonna have to deal with the quality of an iPhone 7. Check it out. It's all cleaned up. All I gotta do is give it a quick wax, clean up the smudges around it. But it looks really good, especially with the white rims. I like it. I really do like this car, how it looks like that. Yeah. We're just gonna walk inside Five Below and see what's up. Which one?
That's us right now. Halfway through the week.
Wednesday, yeah. Look at that one.
That one?
I like that one. I like that one right there. Dude, there's so many funny shirts here. Yeah.
That's you.
I'm not lazy, I'm physically conservative.
Special props.
Dude, this store has like everything under $5, and it has expresses, shoes, shirts, posters. He just bought a poster for like $5. Like, dude. Hector, you need to pick up your makeup, right?
Yeah, my new cologne.
A couple hours later, Hector and I ate. We just washed the car. Dude, it looks pretty good, like with these new headlights. Obviously because they're new, so they're not like worn out, faded and everything. But it's clear, and there's like black accents in the inside. I don't know, something about clear fog lights with these look really good. And the white rims on a black car, like something about it. So we're gonna go drive around and see where we can get a good spot to just start taking pictures. So Hector's doing his magic right here. So Pretty much right here, posted up at the beach. Last part where I did it with Victor, so doesn't look that bad, honestly. Right now, side skirts maybe, don't you think, Hector?
Like a little flitter.
Side skirts. I'll turn off the car too, that way you can get it with the fog lights off and everything too, okay?
Alright.
So, we're gonna go and take some pictures right here. If you guys wanna see how they look it up on my Instagram. Boom, right there. So, back to the iPhone quality. So, Hector, look at that. Like, that looks clean, guys. That looks clean. I really do like that. So we came to another spot. We're gonna be taking more pictures. I'm gonna be posting these up every now and then on Instagram because honestly I need to be more active on that. And if you guys are following me in that, I do apologize if I'm not as active as I should be, but that's gonna start changing. It's all about the angles, bruh. Even higher. These pictures are gonna look pretty sick. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna zoom in a buttload right there. I need to do a touch up. Honestly, guys, maybe when it comes down to more cosmetics, probably gonna do a side skirt, carbon fiber hood, and that's probably it. And then the car's probably gonna be done from the outside for now until I decide to do any major things. Dedication.
Damn you, hole?
I can see underneath your shorts.
You like what you see?
Not really.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, so that's pretty much gonna be it for today. Took the pictures and everything. I'm gonna be posting them up on Instagram again. Follow me on my Instagram right here. That way you guys can keep up with everything. I'll do my best to be a lot more active on that. A couple of you guys have been messaging me when I'm gonna be doing the cruise, if I'm still gonna be doing the meetup. Honestly, right now, me and Hector are just thinking about a good spot where we can all go without being harassed by the police, especially how LA is right now. We don't live in LA, we live in Ventura County, which is about an hour north from LA, but majority of you guys are pretty much from LA, and to make it easier, we might go over there instead. So we're scouting it out. We don't know if it's gonna be a meet and greet, or we don't know if it's gonna be just like a cruise or something, we don't know yet. So we're trying to figure stuff out like that. Would you like to do the honors?
Let's get it.
Hi, Papash. Hey, Gato.
Hey, Gato.
One of his friends thought his name was Hot Dog.
Yes, hot dog.
Like, you know, hot dog. Oh, hey, come here. Come here. You good? You good, bro? You good, bro? Hey, Gotham! Gotham! Let me sit down, fool. Gotham!
Back to Lake Central.
Right? Dude, he literally cleans me. So, we don't know. Right now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm really looking into a carbon fiber hood. And there's only two that look good on this car, so we're gonna see what's up. That and then side skirts. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with that. I feel like the car needs side skirts on the side just to make it pop a little bit more. So we'll see what's up. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace. Gotham, say bye. Gotham. Gotham. Come on, Bubba. No? No? Where you going? You're gonna go with Hector? You're gonna go to Uncle H? Look, sit. Sit. Good boy. High five. High five. High five. Come on. Good boy. No, no, no. Sit. That's lay down. We'll get up. Up, 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 up. No, no. I said sit. Lay down. Good boy. Speak. 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 Good boy. You're squeaking. I said speak, not squeak. Just letting you know, if you do end up doing like a meet and greet here near, that little guy is gonna come with us.
You going? Are you going? Yeah? You going?